Hey, thank you for joining my channel again. This is going to be a very quick video of me unboxing something and putting it in the back of my Gladiator Jeep. I didn't really want to buy it because I think $100 is a lot of money for what it really is, but I'm tired of stuff sliding around, getting scratched up, and if I go in the bed of my truck and I have to kneel down to do something, it hurts because it's Linexed, and it's just hard. So I bit the bullet. I spent $100 on Amazon and I bought a bed mat, like a rubber bed mat, to go in the back of my truck. We'll unbox it together, we'll throw it in, and let's see if the fitment's good. And let's see if it works and stops my Costco chairs getting scratched and destroyed when I put them in for football practice for my son. Anyways, without further ado, let's open it up. Let's check it out together. Thanks for watching. All right, I've got my trusty knife. Let's open this up. A big box. All right. There we go. You can't even make it in frame. It's so big.
That's what she said.
But that's right there. That's going to be the rubber bed mat that I've got for the back of my Gladiator. Let's see if it fits and let's see if it looks good. All right, so let's get this mat in here and see how it fits.
A few minutes later.
Is it the right way or the wrong way? I don't know. That looks better. That looks much better. Fits like a glove, actually. Fits really good. Yeah, shit. That is not bad at all. Needs to, of course, because it's been folded forever from China probably, it needs to level out, but that fits incredibly well. Yeah, good molding. Looks good. Of course, I put it in the wrong way at first because I'm stupid, but there you go. Now I'll get all my other crap in here and it's good to go. Thank you for watching. And again, if you need a cheap, well, again, not really cheap when it's $100 for a piece of plastic, but if you need something for the back of your truck, if you're in and out there, you want to kneel back there, or you want your stuff not to get scratched, this would be a good choice. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have yourself a great day.